What's up guys, welcome back to Watch Crypto, welcome to a brand new project review. Today we are talking about the hottest crypto on SUI's ecosystem. It is in pre-sale phase and I just full clipped $5,000 of my own money into this crypto pre-sale because I truly believe that it can perform once they launch. I'm talking about HyperSUI. It's the first perpetual trading powered by SUI. It is fast, secure, low cost, and powered obviously by the SUI blockchain. It has on-chain perps, social copy trading, instant onboarding, instant finality, self-custody, and AI layer. The most bullish thing that I can identify is that the price at launch is already going to be a whopping 3,400% from current prices. That's how early you are. And the pre-sale is selling out fast because people are understanding the massive potential and upside that you are going to get if you enter early. So having said this, make sure you subscribe, leave a like in this video, and let's get straight into it. All right, so this is HyperSUI's pre-sale, and as you can see right here, buy now and get 3,448% at TGE. This means that at launch, you are already going to be up 3,400%, guys. That's absolutely huge. Even if there's a dump, you're still going to be in profit at the moment of the launch. So I am really bullish on this project, not only because of the fundamentals and the actual ecosystem and DEX that they are building, but just because of how early we are and the opportunity that we have to enter at this current moment. So as you can see right here, the round is going to be ending in 7 hours and the price is going to increase just a little bit more. So each round, the price is going to be increasing, and this is again another important reason to enter as early as possible if you believe in a project. Okay, so cool features that we have in HyperSUI: perpetuals reinvented, trade low latency on-chain perpetuals with full transparency and 100x leverage, no delays, no middlemen, full self-custody. So that's obviously amazing. I truly believe there's a gap in terms of the perp DEX of SUI. There is no crown king, and I think HyperSUI can definitely be this king. All right, so let's keep going. The HyperSUI AI layer learns. It also has AI integrated into the platform, which is huge. The HyperSUI AI layer learns from every trade to optimize execution, manage risk, and uncover new opportunities in real time. This is huge. I mean, this alone is huge, and it is a feature that not even the top-notch perp DEXs present at this current moment, right? Maybe they introduce in the future, but these guys are already working on it, and I think it's amazing. And also, another pretty cool perk is that you have copy trading on-chain. You're gonna have profit sharing, so if people copy you and they are profitable, you're gonna actually get a part of that profit. You can grow as a community, all transparent and powered by smart contracts. So that's pretty huge. Now here we have the partners and backers, and there is some pretty big names here. DeFi Llama is huge. The Graph obviously is pretty big as well. Chainstack, QuickNote, Fireblocks, Pyth, Martian, huge partners and backers, guys. Also Messari right here. I think having this level of partners and backers just speaks on its own. And here we have a quick section just explaining what HyperSUI actually is. So it's built for speed and efficiency, and obviously leveraging SUI's technology and speed. So HyperSUI offers lightning fast transactions, near zero gas fees, which is really important when you're doing a lot of trading and consistently trading, and seamless DeFi experience designed for modern traders. You also have advanced features and security, built-in staking, liquidity pools, cross-chain swap functionality. HyperSUI delivers advanced trading tools while maintaining top-tier security. So I think it checks all the boxes, guys. This is kind of like buying Aster in pre-sale, honestly. It doesn't even need to reach the level of adoption or size as Aster, right? If it gets to 1/10, you're going to have massive profit, right? And I think SUI's ecosystem is definitely going to grow. I mean, it's fast, it's efficient, it has a growing user base. It's kind of the next Solana. I definitely think there's a lot of potential and upside right here. The fastest on-chain terminal ever built, and this is huge as well. I want you guys to take a moment to just process this, right? The fastest on-chain terminal ever built. You can see right here a preview of the UI, and honestly the design is also on point, right? I think it's perfect and invites a lot of traders to join the platform, whether you're experienced or a beginner. So here we have HyperSUI ecosystem, and I think this is also important to understand the project as a whole and why it works. So first of all, it's developer friendly, which is very important for adoption and for cool stuff to be built on top of your ecosystem, right? Low latency. It is really, really fast. This is something that traders want and need. You don't want a product that takes a lot to execute your trade, and high spread and stuff that is going to mess up your trading. So this is definitely important. High scalability, advanced orders, real-time analytics, and precision execution at scale. Very important things also for traders and for users. Robust security, 100% needed. I think this is a must, of course. Ultra low fees, and this is something that is already starting to even sound better than all the requirements, right? This is already a pretty significant advantage. If I had 1 million and I wanted to trade in a platform, why not use a platform that has has more speed, is more scalable, is developer friendly, has security, and has lower fees as well. This is a pretty interesting point as well. Next level user experience. As an investor in this project, you definitely want mass adoption, and having a next level user experience is one of the things that is going to help the most when just growing the ecosystem and attracting new users. And also vNext future-proof technology, which is obviously very important as well. I think it's very related to security to some degree. So now that we understand a bit more the ecosystem, let's go back to the listing and the plan. So it's going to be listing at 34x today's price. All right, that's the launch. So even if it dumps after the launch, you're going to be up a lot. So I think at this current moment, this level of project and product that is definitely going to attract so many users, I think it is definitely a good moment, and we have a very, very cheap price to enter right now. So here you can see comparison with different perp dexes, with Aster, with Hype, with Apex, and you can see that HyperSUI crushes all of them compared to what you could have purchased before the listing, right? I think this is insane. It's absolutely crazy. So this also makes me even more bullish, because even if we dump, as I mentioned, you're going to be up. So it's pretty nice to see. And here you can see the tokenomics. So the initial market cap is going to be $2.4 million. The token ticker is HyperSUI, and the maximum supply is 7 billion. All right, so pretty clear everything. And here we have the tokenomics. So 25% for the public sale, 15% for staking and rewards. I really like to see this number right here. And just it reflects kind of the hyperliquid ethos, right, of giving back to the community. And I think it's pretty essential to have rewards and to incentivize users. 10% for liquidity pool, 7% for the treasury fund, 25% same as public sale, reserved for ecosystem growth. And I think there may be part of this, or even all of it, reserved for an airdrop and incentivizing users. I think these guys know about the importance of just giving back. KOL 5% and team and advisors 13%. So I think everything makes sense, and it's looking pretty good, to be honest. So here we have kind of a preview of the key features of HyperSUI. You have advanced trading tools, access real-time analytics, advanced order types, and precise execution, which is going to be 100% necessary when you are attracting high-level traders and just people that actually want to use your platform, not just farm and airdrop, right? You want to have advanced trading tools. Non-custodial security, so you can maintain full control of your assets with a decentralized, trustless trading platform. It's decentralized, fully decentralized, which is obviously the meta, and they are absolutely exploding. So this is why I think they can get a part of this hype and this craziness and just revolution that's been going on lately, right? There has to be a gem or a king of perp dexes on SUI, and HyperSUI has that spot right now, and it's not even live. You are early, guys. You're really early. And lastly, lightning fast swaps. You can swap your favorite tokens with near zero gas fees, which is also very important, as I mentioned several times. I think it's really important for a trader. So here we have the roadmap, guys, and this is your guide to what's coming on HyperSUI. July to December this year, the foundation and launch. So this is ongoing right now. You have the start of the protocol development, HyperSUI public sale, strategic partnerships established, and core DEX and perp engine development, which is huge. Obviously, this is kind of the first step of the roadmap. From January to March in 2026, you have the beta and the community. The public beta launch, so that's going to be spot trading. It's not going to include perps, AI layer integration, community rewards campaigns. So they are already incentivizing users as soon as the public beta is launched, guys. That is great news. That it just shows that the team knows what you're doing and the importance of attracting users early and having maybe a points program, or we'll see, but I think it's huge. April to June 2026, expansion phase, including the perpetual futures testnet rollout, ecosystem partnerships across SUI and EVM, AI-powered analytics and transparency tools. So this is when things are going to start to become a little bit more serious, and there's going to be some expansion in the ecosystem and the project. July to December 2026, everything in 2026, guys. These guys are fully committed to the project. Mobile and growth, perpetual futures mainnet launch, HyperSUI mobile app release, developer SDK launch, and AI layer upgrade for predictive trading. Absolutely huge. I think this is going to be a really decisive moment for HyperSUI. It's going to set the tone of what's coming next. So definitely a pretty good roadmap. I think everything is pretty much achievable. And to be honest, it's all coming pretty soon. Everything is from July 2025 to December 2026. So I think it's pretty cool to see they have these tight and close goals. So you're going to be waiting 4 years for things to be happening on this ecosystem. And here again, we have a pretty big claim, the only DEX built natively on SUI. That's already a reason enough to be interested in this project. Guys, like the only DEX built natively on SUI. And again, right now, it's a pretty good moment to enter because we have not seen an explosion in users and retail in SUI, and it's going to be happening eventually because it's one of the most promising projects in crypto. Whether you're bullish or not on SUI, I think this DEX is going to attract volume, it's going to attract users, and it's looking pretty good. You're so early, you're going to get a 3,400% at TGE, guys. That's even before the launch happens, right? Once the launch, that's exactly when the launch happens. You're going to be up 3,400%. So it can even dump, as I mentioned. You'll be okay. You have entered so early that you have a pretty good entry in this project, guys. That's why I'm very, very confident in this project. And this is why I'm in myself, as I told you guys. And I think I may be actually increasing my position in this pre-sale. So having said this, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. You can read the docs, the white paper. Everything is very thorough. But make sure to do your own research as always. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will be checking them out. And I will see you guys in the next video.